Hello students, so today let us continue with Gopal and the Hilsa fish. In the last class we saw that it was the season of Hilsa fish and everyone was talking about Hilsa fish from being traders or local men to king. Then a king challenged Gopal that he has to bring Hilsa fish to the court without anyone paying attention towards Hilsa fish, and Gopal accepted the challenge. He was half shaven, wore applied ash on his face, and he dressed up very weirdly to buy a Hilsa fish, and he leaves the house. We have to continue from there. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. So now everyone in the town was laughing at the appearance of Gopal. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and he was walking towards the palace. A child asked that if you look at that man, he looks like a comic character. Then someone murmured that, oh, he looks like a madman. Someone thinks that he has lost his senses. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. So when Gopal reached the court, the guards in front of the court asked him that what do you want? And Gopal says that I want to meet the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. The court guards says him that you cannot see the king. Please go away from here. So Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. He started making noise, he started to dance, he started singing. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So when everyone was saying that he is a crazy man, please throw him out of here, the Gopal started speaking loudly that I want to see the king. Please get me inside. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. So the king orders that he should bring the court guard should bring the man inside at once, and so the court guard agrees that okay, whatever you say, king. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. So now when Gopal came in the court, one of the courtmen identified him, and then he said that, oh, it's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So even the courtmen started murmuring and making his fun that he has lost his mind, and he thinks that everyone thinks that it is a part of his some funny crazy joke. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So the king says that, okay Gopal, now you have come into the court. Please inform me that why have you dressed up in a so ridiculous and so weird manner? So he said that, oh Majesty, you forgot something. So king starts wondering, forgotten something? What did I forgot? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in the Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. So he asked the king to remember the challenge that he has to bring the Hilsa fish without anyone talking about Hilsa fish, and say that strangely no one was interested in talking about Hilsa fish. I went to the market, bought the fish, then came inside the court, but not a person has talked about Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Haha, well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So the king then thought of his challenge, and then he remembered the challenge that he had given to Gopal. And then king says, oh well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved something impossible once again. Because Gopal had achieved the challenge that no one would talk about Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about his appearance and not about Hilsa fish. Thank you.